Hello. In this video, we will learn how to copy the score of students or the marks of students from Google spreadsheet to another spreadsheet. Suppose you have conducted a test using Google Forms and the score of that form is available in a spreadsheet linked with that form. Now this score is generally in this format. Suppose test was out of 20 marks. So as you see here, 18 out of 20, 14 by 20, 12 by 20, 15 by 20. Now I want to keep this record in another spreadsheet. Suppose I have this another spreadsheet visible on the left hand side where I maintain the record of various tests of the same set of students in this spreadsheet. Now I want to copy the scores of students in this particular test from Google spreadsheet linked with the form over here to another spreadsheet in any other app. Now let's try doing this. First thing I want to do is we want to arrange all these roll number wise, arrange the scores roll number wise. Now first scenario we are taking when all the students were present. There was no absentee. So I have this column D containing roll number. So first thing I will do is click on the down arrow. Then I will select sort sheet A to Z. Sort sheet A to Z means arrange the data in this sheet in ascending order on this column, means roll number wise. You see, now it has rearranged roll number wise. Now I copy the score column, the data in the score column. I select all the cells in this column containing score. I press Ctrl C to copy. Now I go to the spreadsheet where I want to paste this. I press Ctrl V to paste it. Now you see, in some cells, the values are coming as they were over there in the Google spreadsheet, 15 by 20, 14 by 20, but at some places, it is recognizing the values as date because slash is there in between. I do not want this. Plus, I will not be able to calculate sum or average or percentage based on these values. 15 by 20, 15 by 20, 14 by 20. So what I want is I want the score in simple terms. 15, 15, 14, only the numerator part. Okay. Out of 20, I have already written above in the heading. So 15, 15, 14, 13, 15, 16. This is how I want the score. How I can do this is I go back to the Google spreadsheet where this score is there. I have already selected these cells. I click on this 1, 2, 3 in the header above, means formats. This is for formats. And I choose number. You see, the entire score gets converted into number. Means now it is not showing upon how much, but it is showing the values in decimals. I do not want these decimals. So again, I go to over here in the header, and you see this decimal 0 and left arrow. Left arrow means reduce the decimal places. Since the values are coming up to 2 decimal places and I want them without any decimal place, I will click on this 2 times, decrease decimal places. Now the values are in absolute numbers rounded off. Now again this range is already selected. Again I press Ctrl C to copy it. I go back to my other spreadsheet. I click on the first cell where the first score value should come. I press Ctrl V. And you see, I have got the marks of all the students, roll number wise, in absolute terms rounded off. Now, second scenario, if some students did not appear for the test, they were absent, then what will happen? If I'll arrange the entire list roll number wise and I'll copy the score and paste like this, the problem that will come is the student, suppose this roll number 10 was absent. Okay, the marks of roll number 11 will come over here, because while arranging the roll numbers in ascending order, the Google spreadsheet will not leave blank rows for the missing roll numbers. So what we need to do is, first we will sort the sheet by roll numbers as we have done. Now let me see the roll numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Seems perfect. No one is absent till now. Let's read ahead. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Going good so far. 36 is missing now. 37, 35. After 35, roll number 37 record is there. Then 39 is there. So 36 and 38 are missing. So what I will do is, I will go to this row containing 37 roll number. I'll click on the row, right click on the row and insert one above. So a blank row is inserted for roll number 36. Similarly, I'll go to the record of roll number 39. I click on the row leftmost column before A, right? In this row, I right click. Again, I choose insert one above. So another blank row has been added for roll number 38, which is blank. Now I will simply copy the score again. Select all the score values, copy them. And now if you see carefully what had happened previously, all the score values had come up to here. Roll number 36 means in place of roll number 36, 37, score of roll number 37 had come. In place of roll number 38, score of 39 had come. So now again I will paste the values. I click on the first cell over here and press Ctrl V. Now you see there are gaps. For roll number 36, there is a gap. I will simply write AB over here for absent. Similarly, for roll number 37, there is a gap. I will simply write AB absent over here. And my marks list roll number wise is ready. That's all. Thank you.